Welcome to Kids channel. Turmeric solution turns reddish brown with bases. Clear detergent is the base. Turmeric does not change color with acid. So when the lime juice that contains citric acid is added, the solution turns back to yellow. When the baking soda in the balloon and vinegar in the bottle mix up, it produces carbon dioxide gas which expands in the bottle and starts to inflate the balloon. Fire needs oxygen to burn. So when we put a glass over a burning candle, the flame goes out from a lack of enough oxygen in the glass. As the flame goes out due to lack of oxygen in the glass, the pressure changes and vacuum created in the glass sucks out the water in the glass.